Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to create one-dimensional and two-dimensional data visualization using Tableau. Let us see what is one-dimensional or linear data visualization. It consists of only one attribute or feature. It lists the data items. For example, if you want to find total sales of all the years for United States, then you can use one-dimensional data visualization. It is not commonly visualized. Next is two-dimensional or planar data visualization. It consists of two attributes. For example, if you want to plot state-wise sales distribution, then you can use two-dimensional data visualization. Here we are using two attributes, state and sales. Here you can plot simple bar graph using state and sales, or you can plot map chart using two attribute state and sales using Tableau. Let us see how to create this 1D and 2D data visualization. This is the start page of Tableau. The first thing you need to do is you need to import data set into Tableau. Since data is in Excel, click on Excel and choose sample store file. It is loading. You can view three tables on this screen, but we are going to deal with orders here. So go ahead and drag the same on drag sheet here. As soon as you imported your data set, next to the data source tab near the bottom of the screen, you must have seen go to worksheet. A worksheet is a place where you can create all your graphs. So click on that sheet. Now we will create one-dimensional data visualization in sheet 1. So just rename sheet 1 as 1D. So this is our title. You can edit the title as 1D. Here we have to find the total sales of US. Apply and OK. Now from measures, select cells and drag it on rows. So you'll get this bar chart, and here you can able to view total sales of US for all the 4 years. Now even you can view sales by each year. For that you need to apply filter. So select order date from dimension and drag it on this filter shelf. It will ask you how do you want to filter on. So just select years and next. So it will ask you to select the years. We are going to use all the years, so use this option, or you can use custom list also. So just select use all option, then apply. Okay. Right click on this year order date filter, click on show filter. So this filter is visible on right side. Just select 2014 year. So it will show me sell amount for year 2014. If you select 2015, it will show you sell amount for 2015. If you select 2016, it will show you sell amount for 2016. Or if you select 2 years, it will show you sales amount, total sales amount for 2016 and 17. So here we have created one-dimensional data visualization. Here we have used only one attribute, that is sales, for visualization. Next is two-dimensional data visualization. Just rename sheet as 2D, and you can give proper name here 2D, and here we want to view sale amount for each state, state sales distribution. Now we are going to study how to create map chart of state sales distribution. To build map chart, your data source must contain location data. So here our data source is having some location fields like city, country, postal code, and one more is state. So you can use any one. As here we want state wise sales distribution, I will use state dimension. Or if you want to view postal code wise sales distribution, then you can use postal code. Or if you want to view city wise sales distribution, then in that case you have to use city. So here I will select state. In the data pane under the dimension, double click on state. A map view is automatically created with dots because state field is geographical field. Here each dot it represent one state. Now from measures, drag cells to size. This is size on mark card. So just drag cells on this size. So now our map show the amount of cell using the size of dot. Here if you see, smaller size of dot indicates smaller value of cell and bigger size of dot represent larger value of cell. So from this map you can easily interpret that California state is dot for California is bigger, so you can say cell amount for California is largest as compared to other state, and I found this dot as smallest. So for North Dakota, cell amount is smallest as compared to other state. Now instead of size, you can also view cells by color also. For that, first remove this cell from size, and now just drag cells on color. See here, now you get different view of this map. So each state is represented with different shades of color. So here if you see, lighter color indicates smaller value of cell and darker color indicates larger value for cell. So from this map you can easily say that California state is having highest value of cell because it is represented using darker color, and these states they are having lower values of cells. So now again North Dakota state is having smallest value of cell. Now here if you want to view year wise cell, then you can apply filter. So just select order date from dimension and drop it on filter. So it will ask you how do you want to filter on. So we want to view year wise cell amount of each state. So just select years and next. So it will ask you years. So select use all, apply, OK. Then right click on this filter, click on show filter. So here filter is visible on right side. So here if I click on 2014, so it will again show me for in year 2014 smallest cell value was 162 and largest value is 91,000. So again if you see, California state is having highest value of cell, and again these lighter color they represent the lower value of cells. South Dakota it is having 162 value. If I select 2015, it will show me cell amount by color. So again California state is having highest value of cell. if I choose 2016, again California is having highest value for sale. In 2017, again California, because it is represented by darker color. So you can interpret that for all the years California state is having highest value of sale. Here, even if you want to view sales by product category, then you can add one more filter, that is category. Just select category from dimension and drop it on filters. So again it will ask you, so select so these are the product categories: furniture, office supplies and technology. So use all, apply and OK. Right click on category, click on show filter. So again one more filter is visible on right side. So suppose I select 2014, and for 2014 if you want to view sales by furniture, then so 41 is the lowest value and 32,000 is the highest value of sale, which is represented by darker color. So again California is having highest value of sale. So here this sale amount is for 2014 year and it is for category furniture. If you want to view sale value for year 2014 for category office supplies, so it is different. It is 30,000 and lowest value is 6. So in this way you can create two-dimensional data visualization in Tableau. I hope you understood how to create one-dimensional and two-dimensional data visualization. Thank you.